What's going on? Josh, Kicking It crew. Yo, we back with another one. Hey, I'm back with one that just a deal, right? Everywhere I've looked at these shoes, there's been a deal on them. The regular price on these, I want to say, are $200. And if y'all know by the thumbnail, y'all know what these is. So before we get into the shoe that I want to talk about, right? This is a sneakerhead's like heaven right now. And I'm gonna say this to be clear, right? So Jordans are sitting, but is Jordan making too many shoes that's why they sitting, or is just nobody interested in Jordans anymore? Who knows? I still see people wearing them. I still see people copping them when they come out. I still see people excited about some of the drops. It's just not as many people since that vid happened, right? Now, I'm not seeing as much other shoes sitting. You're seeing some New Balances sitting, but that's the models that has a bunch of colors, a bunch of different tailways, the 2002 Rs, the 2002s, the 1906s, the 740s. They just have a plethora of different brands sitting, right? Now, when you come to Asics has a bunch of different variations of their shoes that's all slightly similar. So yeah, they're not really sitting either. Now, when you get to regular Nike stuff, shout out to Nike basketball, because Nike basketball has been killing them and Adidas basketball has been killing them. Just two people, if I must say. They overdid it with the D books. Just a bunch of colorways that nobody's really interested in. I just see them sitting everywhere, and a lot of them not on sale. The AE ones, crazy. Great basketball shoe, all that stuff. The AE2s should have dropped by now when this video came out. And we should be getting a video about that. I'm waiting to see how them perform. The Ja 3s, you can't find them anywhere. You have to get them on the other markets. You can't find them anywhere. That's how the Nike basketball has been going crazy. Same thing with the Kobe's, right? It's been going crazy. It's mostly Nike basketball. Retros, the Deons. It's all Nike basketball, Nike sports. Like, it's not a real shoe. Air Max 95s has been going crazy too. We have some shoes that's been going crazy and some collabs, but when we talk about different shoes, when we talk about shoes sitting, be grateful that the shoes sitting. The other day, I could pop up some pictures. I found some shoes in Ross for the low. You just seeing shoes. We're getting back to the point where you can find stuff everywhere, and it's just not just through raffles and having to go through a raffle to find it and having to go through these back doors and all this stuff. They're being readily available, and that's a great thing, because that opens the market up for everybody to get the shoe that they want. So let's not stagger or stay on this subject, but to talk about something that is on sale, that is a dope shoe, I gotta get into the shoe. I gotta get into it. Shout out to New Balance. Ooh, that New Balance 990. Shout out to the New Balance, right? This is the size 11. Now, when we talk about New Balances, right? New Balances run tricky because most of their shoes are unisex. So you got to be careful when you getting New Balances. I say, because they are unisex, you can go a half size down. I wear 11.5, but I got a wide foot, so normally I go true to size. This one I tried on the store with a thicker sock, and I went with it at 11, and this is a 990. Now, I told y'all I've been seeing this shoe. I have a thing where I watch a shoe for the longest. If it's not selling, I'll let the price drop, and it dropped to where I was somewhere comfortable with it. I got it for $139. Shout out to DTLR. Let's look at it. Let's get a look at it, because I was excited about these. If I can get the box open, the box don't even want to come open. Bam, bam, bam. Here we go. We got two different colors of laces in this thing. Got the cream, which I don't even know if I could yeah, you could pull a cream off. I could pull a cream. The 1990, well, the 990s, I'm sorry. The 990 are, these run around 200 bucks. This colorway, do we got the colorway on here? It don't got the colorway. Green, cold, nice. I think this one of the ones you might can sit on and bring it out during next year and nobody will be like, where you got them from? I love doing shoes like that. I got a couple shoes that I've been sitting on for a couple of years that I ain't want to pull out because people has overdid them. Now it'll be time to wear them. Like these right now, man, with some fall colors, they'll go crazy. But I got these for $139. You got the mesh on the top. You got the good old, this not even, I don't even know what kind of fabric this is. If y'all can hear that, you know, suede on the back side here, suede here. You got your hits are just, the one thing about New Balance is they're gonna bring quality. Within any shoe, it's going to be quality. And I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this. The 990 A, B, or A, whatever's on it. I don't know. 990. Y'all see it on the tongue there if y'all can see that. But yeah, let's get a closer look at these things. I got these once again for the low for $139. I want to say they was. I keep saying it, but I think it's $139. Yeah. Wear what you like. Stop. Don't worry about what the next person got. Wear what you like. A lot of times we think a shoe ugly until we see it on somebody's foot. So if you gotta go in the store and put it on feet, go put it on feet. It's okay. Go put it on feet. Go put your little baggy pants on it or your jogging pants with the socks. You know what I'm saying? Go do your thing. Go try the shoe on. Go make sure it's something you like. Once again, buy something you like. Yo, y'all stay blessed, man. Look, shout out to DTLR. If I can, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll leave a link in the comments down below. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. And we on the road, man. We just on the road. We just dropping heat anytime we get a chance to. So do me a favor, man. Make sure you continuously like, share, and subscribe. Yo, wear what you like. Wear what you like. We out.
Yeah.